Hey, what's going on? My name is Jeremy with Educational Innovation Incorporated, and this activity is called Bernoulli's Brain Ticklers. It's the fourth activity with the home subscription kit from Educational Innovation Incorporated called Home Science Lab. Now, just like with the previous activities, the pushy index card, the vampire test tube, and the helicopter drop, almost everything that you need to do those activities is included in the kit. Now, unlike the previous activities, this one has 4 mini activities all in one. So let's get started. So the first brain tickler is called Ping Pong Pass Out, and it's the perfect demonstration for Bernoulli's Law while simultaneously perplexing everyone in viewing sight. You'll receive everything that you need for this activity in the kit, which includes a funnel and a ping pong ball. You're going to start off by tipping your head backwards. Place the funnel in your mouth and place a ping pong ball in the funnel. Now blow as hard as you can, trying to blow the ping pong ball out of the funnel. So with the funnel still in your mouth, bend over to where it's now pointing to the ground. Hold the ball into the funnel and then blow as hard as you can while simultaneously letting go of the ball. For as long as you're blowing hard, the ball will remain in the funnel. That's awesome! But how does it work? So this is all about Bernoulli's Law, but what is Bernoulli's Law? Well, Bernoulli's Law states that the faster that air travels over the surface of an object, the less pressure it will be put on that object. So the first time you did this activity, the ball was being held in the funnel with gravity. You'd think a quick blow in the bottom of the funnel and the ball would go flying. But that's not the case, because as you've learned with Bernoulli's Law, as you blew into the bottom of the funnel, you created pressure differentiation. Low pressure at the bottom, high pressure on top. Therefore, the harder you blew through the bottom, the harder the ball actually got pressed back into the funnel because of that high pressure on top. The second time you did this activity, we kind of flipped it. We went upside down. Now the low pressure's on top, high pressure's on bottom. Same concept. The harder you blow into the funnel, the harder the ball actually gets pushed back because of that pressure differentiation. Pretty cool, huh? Now the second brain tickler for this activity is called Bernoulli's tube. The only thing that you need for it is the tube itself, which is included in the kit. Now grab a partner and challenge them to a contest. The contest is who could fill up the tube with air with the least number of breaths. Allow your partner to go first. Now as they put it against their mouth and they blow and they blow and they blow and they blow, they're going to give up because they're not even going to get close to filling up that tube filled with air. Now that it's your turn, I'll fill you in on a little secret. The secret is science, specifically Bernoulli's Law. Hold the tube open about 6 inches away from your mouth and blow. That fast-moving air from your mouth into the tube will create low pressure. That air is going into the tube, but it's being pushed by the higher pressure around the opening of the tube, filling the tube with about 1 breath. Pretty awesome. Now the third brain tickler is called Bernoulli's Wing. The only thing you need for this is a pencil, a paper clip, a piece of paper, and a pair of scissors. Once you have all of that, cut your sheet of paper about 3 inches wide by 11 inches long. Now bend it over the middle. Don't fold or crease it, just slightly bend it over the middle. And connect the ends with a small piece of tape or a paper clip. With your pencil, slide it to the middle of the paper so that the paper clip hangs down. Now hold the wing to your bottom lip and blow. Now if all goes well, the wing should actually raise up toward your nose. How does that work? Well, if you've been paying attention with this lesson, it's all about Bernoulli's Law. You created a pressure differentiation. Higher pressure on the bottom, lower pressure on the top. Lower pressure because you were blowing air. Now that higher pressure was pushing the wing up. Aerodynamics call that lift. Pretty neat, huh? So the fourth and final brain tickler is called Bernoulli's Tent. And all you need for this is a sheet of paper. Take that sheet of paper, fold it in half, place it on a table holding both sides down so it doesn't blow away. Now what you're going to do is you're going to gently inhale and then exhale through the opening of the tent and watch what happens. If you've been paying attention at all, you know that you're demonstrating Bernoulli's law. You're creating pressure differentiation. Low pressure through the tent because of that fast-moving air from your breath versus the high pressure on the outside of the tent. That pressure differentiation makes the tent sides move. Pretty cool, huh? Use this link to subscribe to your very own home science lab, and follow the links below to see videos on other activities within this series.